Welcome to Quirky Maps. Today we are rounding numbers. Rounding is simplifying numbers to a certain place value. We use it for estimations, quick calculations, and presenting data clearly. Let's start with rounding to the nearest whole number. This is one of the most common forms of rounding. To round to the nearest place value, you must look at the digit behind that number. That digit is key to your decision. Remember the saying, 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less, give it a rest. To round 37 to the nearest 10, you must identify your place value. The 3 is in the tens place, and the 7 is in the units or ones place. Since 7 is 5 or more, then that means I am going to add 1 more to the 3, therefore making that a 4. And when I round it, my answer is 40. In this example, I am going to round 82 to the nearest 10. And of course, remember the 8 is in the tens place, the 2 is in the units place. Since 2 is less than 5, that means my 8 will remain the same. Since my 8 remains the same, rounding 82 to the nearest 10 gives me an answer of 80. Now we're going to round 145 to the nearest 10. The 1 is in the hundreds place, the 4 is in the tens place, and the 5 is in the units place. I am still going to look at the digit in the tens place, and when I look at the units place, I have identified that 5 is greater, thus making the 4 5, and my answer is 150. So now we're going to round 681 to the nearest 100, and I have to always identify my place value. So now I'm going to look at the tens place to identify what's going to happen with the hundreds place. Now since 8 is greater than 5, the 6 is going to become a 7, and everything behind it becomes a 0, making the answer 700. So now I am going to round 2,329 to the nearest hundreds place. Of course, we always would like to identify our place values. After identifying our place value, we're going to draw a line between the number that we're rounding and the determining digit. 2 is less than 5, which means that 3 remains the same. We rewrite the 2, and when we round it, it's 2,300. In this real-world application, we will determine how many invitations to buy. Usually 153 rounds down. But if we do that, we will not have enough, so we round up to 160. Since there are 10 invitations in a pack, we have to buy 16 packs. If you need more help, contact Thompson Education at www.thompsoneducate.com.